Hi dear students, welcome to our channel Maths with Panindra. Good morning to all. Now I am going to discuss Mathematics 1A in intermediate first year. Some examples, basic questions which are very important for the public examination. So now preparation 2023. Almost we are coming into the November. Maths A, Maths B, Maths 2A, Maths 2B. Some important questions I will come to the live. Anyway, some students know about me how to in the examination time how the classes are going to take us. So let us have a discussion. The question here, it may comes for 4 marks, this question. Prove that cot pi by 16, cot 2 pi by 16 into cot 3 pi by 16 and so on, cot 7 pi by 16 equal to 1. They are asking to prove this result. So for that, first what we have to do is LHS. First cot pi by 16 as it is we are writing into cot 2 pi by 16. Like this till cot 7 pi by 16, write it dear students. Cot 3 pi by 16 into cot 4 pi by 16 into cot 5 pi by 16 cot 6 pi by 16 into cot 7 pi by 16. Here you have to remember one important logic. Among these 7 terms, cot 4 pi by 16, 4 ones are 4 fours are. Cot pi by 4 value is 1. So we can neglect this one. Neglect means we can write it as lost. After that, the rest of the terms we are taking cot pi by 16, first term and last term we are writing as one term. Observe carefully, like this way you have to write it. 7 pi by 16. Keep it as a bracket. First, last. Next, cot 2 pi by. So cot 2 pi by 16 into cot 6 pi by 16 into third term cot 3 pi by 16 into cot 5 pi by 16. Anyway, the remaining term cot 4 pi by 6. Here I am writing cot 4 pi by 16. What is the logic to write like this? Here 7 pi by 16 we can write it as in terms of pi by 16. See here cot pi by 16, this can be done as cot pi by 2 minus 7 pi by 16. Whether it is correct or not, we will verify. 7 pi by 16, sorry, pi by 16. See here, pi by 2 minus pi by 16. Whether it is equal to 7 pi by 16 or not. LCM for these two is 16 only, no? 2 8s are 8 pi. 16 ones are 1 into pi. Is it equal to 7 pi by 16 or not? We got 7 pi by 16 only. So, 7 pi by 16 we are expressing as pi by 2 minus pi by 16. Similarly, 6 pi by 16 also we can write it as pi by 2 minus 2 pi by 16. 5 pi by 16 also can be written as pi by 2 minus 3 pi by 16. I hope you understand it, students. Just I am running this. Now come to the second bracket. Cot 2 pi by 16 into cot pi by 2 minus 2 pi by 16. This meaning is 6 pi by 16 only. Next, cot 3 pi by 16 into cot pi by 2 minus 3 pi by 16 into, here 4 ones, 4 fours. So it comes as cot pi by 4. In the next step, we'll write it as 1. Okay, dear students. Next, cot pi by 16, cot of pi by 2 minus theta, tan theta. So it comes as a tan pi by 16 into cot 2 pi by 16. This is tan 2 pi by 16. Next, cot 3 pi by 16 into cot of 90 minus theta, tan 3 pi by 16 into cot pi by 4 value is 1. We know that since cot theta into tan theta value is equal to 1. We did number of problems in the previous sessions. So cot theta into tan theta, here theta should be same, then the product of these two values is equal to 1. And here what we applied, not only this one, cot of, that also I am writing here, cot of pi by 2 minus theta, we can write it as a tan theta, that also we wrote. So this first bracket value goes to be 1, second bracket value is also 1, third bracket value is also 1, and at last also 1. So therefore this is equal to 1, which is required RHS. I hope you understand it, students. This is the way we can do it. 4 marks question we may expect in the examination in intermediate. I will move to the another question now. Shall we run this? 1 minute. We got this and the coming question also important for 2 marks. If 3 sin theta plus 4 cos theta is equal to 5, then find the value of, of 4 sin theta minus 3 cos theta. 4 sin theta minus 3 cos theta. So to solve these type of problems, shortcut formulas also there. The shortcuts which are all coming from the regular method only, dear students. So first this value is given. So given 3 sin theta plus 4 cos theta is equal to 5. You put as equation number 1 and let whatever we are going to calculate that value, 4 sin theta minus 3 cos theta is equal to k. You can assume that as k. We don't know the value. After that, whenever sin and cos relation is there in the equations, you can do that squaring and adding both the equations. So equation 1 square plus equation 2 square. This can be done in simultaneously LHS as well as RHS. So a plus b whole square formula I am writing now. So 3 sin theta plus 4 cos theta whole square plus this side, this also there. 4 sin theta minus 3 cos theta whole square is equal to 5 square plus k square. I hope I understand. Now expansion. A plus b whole square expansion. 9 sin square theta plus 16 cos square theta plus 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24 sin theta cos theta plus again a minus b whole square 16 sin square theta plus 9 cos square theta minus 24 sin theta cos theta is equal to 25 plus k square. Both sides plus 24 sin theta minus 24 sin theta cos theta will be cancelled. From these two and these two. So that implies that 9 sin square theta plus 16, 25 sin square theta plus 16 plus 9, again 25 cos square theta is equal to 25 plus k square. 25 take common here, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 25 plus k square. So anyway, sin square theta plus cos square theta value is 1. So that implies that 25 is equal to 25 plus k square. So both sides 25, 25 also get cancelled. 0 equal to k square. That implies k equal to plus or minus 0. So simply we can write it as 0. So k is equal to 0. That is, what value we got it as k? 4 sin theta minus 3 cos theta is equal to 0. Okay, dear students, I hope you understand. We'll move on to the another question now. This is a very important question for 2 marks. 2 more questions I will explain in the line, and the rest of the questions we'll do in the another session, students. The coming question important in intermediate 2 marks. If sin theta plus cos theta is equal to root 2 cos theta, prove that cos theta minus sin theta equal to cos theta minus sin theta equal to root 2 sin theta. So this is the way they are asking to prove that. To solve this problem, first the given you can consider what it is given. Sin theta plus cos theta is equal to root 2 cos theta. Okay. Bring the terms all one side. Here cos theta is there, here also cos theta is there. Only sin theta, only one term is there. So bring another cos theta also this side. So sin theta equal to root 2 cos theta minus cos theta. So take common from these two cos theta. It comes as sin theta equal to root 2 minus 1 into cos theta. After this step, to get the required answer, what we have to do is root 2 minus 1. It is in the form of root a minus b. What is the rationalizing factor of root a minus b? Root a plus b. So multiplying and dividing with the rationalizing factor of root 2 minus 1. So it comes, by doing rationalization, it comes as sin theta equal to root 2 minus 1 by, here what I am doing is root 2 plus 1 by root 2 plus 1. So we rationalize with respect to the numerator root 2 minus 1 into cos theta. So sin theta is equal to a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. So root 2 whole square minus 1 square by root 2 plus 1 into cos theta here. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So cross multiply sin theta into root 2 plus 1 is equal to 1 into cos theta. So root 2 into sin theta plus sin theta into 1 is equal to cos theta. They are asking to prove cos theta minus sin theta. That means here sin theta we are bringing this side. Therefore, root 2 sin theta is equal to cos theta, and here sin theta bring that side minus sin theta. So therefore hence proved the result. I hope you understand this, students. We'll move on to the last question in this session. From now onwards, I will take the sessions not only Maths A, Maths B, 2A, 2B also, based on my free time. But those who are watching, please, you can share to your friends and relatives. Next, the question is, find the value of, it's a good question based on algebra with the trigonometry concept. 2 times of sin power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta minus 3 times of sin power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta is, this value they are asking to find. Okay, dear students, how to do this? This is also a good question conceptually. In the competitive corner, if this question comes, what we have to do is to get the answer easily. In place of theta, take 0. Sin 0, 0. Cos 0, 1. So 2 plus 0 plus 1 means 2 into 0 plus 1 means 2 will come. Minus 3 into 0 plus 1. 2 minus 3. Minus 1 is the answer. This is the shortcut formula. You can apply in the competitive examination corner. Not only 0 but also 90 we can substitute. Cos 90 0, sin 91. Okay, dear students. So now in regularly, if it comes as a 4 marks, what we can do that? In that way, first I am taking sin power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta. We can write it as sin square theta whole cube plus cos square theta whole cube. I hope you understand. It is in the form of a cube plus b cube. We can write it as a cube plus b cube formula as a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Okay, dear students. Otherwise, a plus b whole cube minus, even that also we can write it. I hope for this question we can write that way only. That is easy way to write. It won't work out that time for this question. So now a cube plus b cube is a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. Okay. So this is a value, this is b value. I am writing in that way. Sin square theta plus cos square theta whole cube. So a plus b whole cube is over. Minus 3 into a value sin square theta into cos square theta into sin square theta plus cos square theta. Okay, dear students. We know that sin square theta plus cos square theta value 1, since sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, it comes as 1 cube minus 3 sin square theta into cos square theta into 1. So which is equal to 1 minus 3 sin square theta and cos square theta. So this is about sin power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta. Now another one, sin power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta. This is also sin square theta whole square plus cos square theta whole square. We can write it. So again we can apply algebraic formula a square plus b square equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. So sin square theta plus cos square theta whole square, okay, minus 2 times of sin square theta into cos square theta. This value is 1. 1 minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta. So these values substitute in the given. Therefore 2 times of sin power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta minus 3 times of sin power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta is equal to 2 times of this value. So 2 times of 1 minus 3 sin square theta cos square theta minus 3 times of 1 minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta. So 2 into 1 minus 6 into sin square theta cos square theta minus 3 minus into minus plus 6 sin square theta cos square theta. So minus 6 sin square theta cos square theta plus 6 sin square theta cos square theta cancel. 2 minus 3. So which is equal to minus 1. So therefore the given question value is equal to minus 1. I hope everyone understand, dear students. If you really like this video, please share to your friends and relatives and your seniors itself. The junior intermediate, senior intermediate, 1,000 plus videos are available in our channel. So you can utilize. If you really like these videos, please share to your friends. Thank you all. Jai Hind, Maths with Panindra.